Hey, welcome back. What's up, everyone? Vincent Basile here from Rad Boardsport Company. You could call me Vinny. Back at it again, episode 7, Rad Skate Park Check-In New York City edition. Right now we're at the Far Rockaway Skate Park in Queens, New York. I like coming to this park. We're right on the water. The temperature's, it's a little hot today. You guys don't need a helmet. Bathrooms are here. Let's go in this thing. Show you guys what the Far Rockaway Park is all about. Let's go. Yo, as soon as you walk in, little 3-stair, ledges, everywhere you go, it's gonna move. You'll slide that. But I say, bring wax. There's a lot going on right here. There's a box attached to a box, little slant. I like this feature right here. It's one of my favorite features. Oh, right. We talk about every single feature here. We'll just run through it. Little roll-in, bank. You got your stair section. You got 3 areas you could go down. Kreku, you're right there, brother. You got it. I almost didn't film that. If you look over here, you got your transition skating. Little sections like a quarter pipe, bowl sections. That's all over there. And then on that side, that big wall over there. We got a nice little hip. Top area you can go up. Your little quarter pipe bowl. That rail, pretty sketchy. Right here you got a little, I'm not really sure what they call it.
No, or is that the volcano?
I'm not really sure. Maybe you're catching air. Maybe you're going over it. Whatever you're doing it. Let's talk about this section too. A little curb box attached to a bigger box.
man, Rastafari is the Almighty. Should I say the first? Don't know.
Brian Davis, Fairweather Skateboards. I'm wearing more chains for you, dude. Check it out. Up here now, you got a big, huge bank, like a little peeling wave. It goes all the way around, 2 boxes attached to it. Right in the center is this weird volcano. I actually never hit it, ever. I stay away from it. And then this area. I haven't kicked something in a while. Tiny little bank. Find your flow. You can have it, Ant. Oh, now you're gonna have it. Watch this. Done! Far Rockaway skate park. It's wide open, it's not too busy, and just enjoy being in these kind of parks. We need more of this on the water. We need a skate park in Bayshore, just like this. We gotta make that happen. Caught 10 waves today. You didn't surf, you didn't ride all day. Ground report, this place is the raddest.
Well, there's sand.
There is sand here because we're at the beach, but this ground is rad. It's good. Overall, this concrete park is mint, schmoove like butter. We give it the thumbs up. I'm cutting out of here. I'm hurt. Not my best today, but we had a great time regardless. Shout out to all the locals we ran into. There was a few guys that came through. Shout out to Kwaku. Definitely shout out to Kwaku for coming here, skating with us, throwing down some clips. If you're not following us, please follow us at Rad Boardsport Co. Also, Facebook. So check us out there. And if you're watching this video right this second, like the video. And if you don't like it, I'll work harder. We're giving you the details, so come on, man. Subscribe. If you like what you see, we're always rocking new merch. www.radboardsport.co. You can find the stuff there. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next episode. Still in Queens. Ride all day.
New York Street Talk, America's best. Yo, I'm not new to this, I'm true to this.
Trash can. I know it's super rad to set up the trash cans and bust tricks over them, but make sure when you guys are drinking bev and you're done with your bev, you handle that shit.